So, let's start the Gary pool.
Let me cool it off for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Depends on
I'm gonna try to do a knife edge pass.